Hey everybody, this is the lesson for Wednesday, the 24th of March. We are starting a new topic, which is integration by substitution. So integration by substitution takes place when you have a composite function. So composite would mean like a function like f of g of x, where the value of g of x depends, where the value of f depends on what you get as your output of g of x. So one expression is dependent upon the other. So when it comes to integration, it's difficult to integrate something like this using the methods we have been using. So we have to start using other methods. One of those is U substitution. Cat. Sorry. All right, so let's look at our first example. So the question is, can the function, the integral of 2x times x squared plus 1 squared dx be integrated by using substitution? If so, identify u and du dx. So today's lesson is only about answering this question. Can we integrate by using substitution? So the first thing we're going to do is we need to look for two expressions, one of which is the derivative of the other. So the expression that we're looking for, we'll call it u. And its derivative is du dx, or whatever variable we're integrating with. For all our examples, it'll be x for now. So the derivative of u with respect to x. All right, so let's look at the problem they gave us. The integral of 2x times x squared plus 1 squared dx. And I'm looking for one of these expressions has to be the derivative of the other. So what I notice right off is that the derivative of x squared plus 1, using the power rule, the derivative of that is going to be 2x. So I'm going to call this u. The derivative of u I can see also in here. It's called du dx. Okay? So my answer is yes, it can be integrated using substitution. U is the expression x squared plus 1, and du with respect to x is 2x. And that's it. Okay? So that's our first example. I showed you what it looks like when it can be integrated using substitution. Let's look at example 2. Can the integral of x to the 4th times x to the 5th plus 1 squared dx be integrated by using substitution? If so, identify u and du dx. All right, so I'm going to look at my expressions. I have x to the 5th plus 1, and I have x to the 4th. Now, what would happen if I took the derivative of these? So the derivative of x to the 5th plus 1 is 5x to the 4th. Sorry, the derivative is 5x to the 4th. And the derivative of x to the 4th is 4x to the 3rd, right? So I'm noticing that there is no 5x to the 4th present in this expression, and there is no 4x to the 3rd present in this expression. So my answer is no. The function cannot be integrated using substitution with the way it's written. Okay? All right. So the next thing is you're going to get some practice with these. Again, you're only going to identify can it be integrated, yes or no, what is u, and what is du dx.